Okay, if you're in the business of wanting to build yourself a droid, this is what some of the innards look like. I suppose if you wanted these today, you might be able to get them, but I'm not sure. So this is like 2 sets of the skins, the aluminum skins. How much are these things I'm looking at? Like if I wanted to buy that.
I don't know offhand, but you could go to the astromech.net website.
Okay, but it would come in parts and I would assemble it, right?
You
and
could
glue
buy
it.
different pieces
Mm-hmm.
and assemble it. I want to say these are like $150, $200.
Oh, okay, that's not terrible.
The frame is probably $150, I think. I'm not sure. Depending on which frame you go with, there's multiple choices.
And then when
Kits.
people make it, do they first make one that doesn't move?
Sometimes that happens, yeah.
And then
They sit it in the corner, they just put lights in it.
and then later on they'll add all of the electronics and stuff.
Mine didn't move for 6 years.
And now it
Not
moves?
because I didn't want it not to move. It's because it wasn't finished.
Yeah.
Coming down.
Yeah, this is Tom Walters, right? Yeah, I'm with the club that Walters. Yeah. It didn't move for 6 years. I don't often get a chance to look at the insides. Oh, this one's made all of paper. That's crazy. And then this one, these are wheels, and then this one's made of 3D printed stuff. So you can make it any which way you want. Tempting, very, very tempting.